Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to remove the app icon name on this device. So on the home screen you can see the option, the app icon name. Under the app icon you can see the name, right? On the widget also you can see, right? So let me show you how to remove this app icon name from the home screen. Just long press on the blank area of the home screen. Now tap on the edit button on the top left side. Tap on customize. Okay. Now you can see some options. Now here you can see one window you can see here. Just tap on this one. Now you can see the name is hidden from the home screen. So simply in this way we can remove the app icon name from the home screen. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.